What's up, YouTube? M here. We're back at it again, working on this Mustang, trying to get these head gaskets done. I have my puller kit to remove this pulley. I don't know what I'm gonna do about getting this fitted tube out of my water pump. That's gonna be fun. Let's get these fuel lines, fuel rails, injectors, all that. First, let's get this pulley off. All right, we have the pump off, or the pulley. The pulley off of the pump has. Anyways, yes, the pulley is off of the power steering pump. I have a new power steering pump to be put on. Let's get this bracket off. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Let's go. All right, shebang, shebang. We now have the power steering bracket off. I still don't know how to get this pressed in tube. Freaking pain. But we're almost there, almost there, almost there. Intake's about to come off. Well, valve covers first. Fuel lines. Again, I keep talking about these damn fuel lines. I'm afraid to attack them, to be honest. But, we're slowly getting there. Slowly getting there. Oh, and if you can't tell, it's hot as balls today. All right. Finally got that pesky fuel rail off. I'm gonna disconnect the headers on both sides. Just to get this, I don't know what the hell that is, thingy-majiggy, just get that out of the way. I do have a 21 millimeter wrench on the way to disconnect it from the header down at the bottom where it actually connects. Let me show you that. So, the little tube, right there, that guy right there, comes up and attaches there, which attaches to the upper plenum of the intake. I'm trying to beat this rain. I feel like it might rain soon. Well, no. My camera ain't doing no justice for what rain looks like right now. But anyway, I'd rather do head gaskets on that any day. Head gaskets are so much easier on this than they are this. I'll be back with an update. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, so I've got those intake bolts out. I've got to take these intake bolts the rest of the way out. But I'm pulling some of them, and yeah, this is the color I'm getting. Now, in the crankcase, the oil looks fine. I think it's time for some gaskets on this motor. It's about time, it's about time. Alright, let's carry on. Alright, we have the intake off. Let me show you guys this nasty. Let me slow down a little bit. I've noticed I be a little too fast with the camera. But that stuff does not look good. Let's show you the other side. I mean, overall, cam looks good, lifters look good. It's a lot cleaner inside of here than I thought. A little grungy in that little hole there, but anyway. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Look at that. Mud water. I'll never get that. Shoot, I'm walking around and I shouldn't be. Alright, got them headers loose. I'm going to do this header. Take the valve covers off. And hopefully...
Take the valve covers off?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, alright. I forgot you didn't have to take the...
Sheesh!
Sorry, I thought they were already off.
Take the valve covers off. Alright. Let's get back to it. Alright, I have this header loose and out of the way. This header loose and out of the way. Everything off the top of the motor is gone. I am working on valve covers. Let's get these valve covers off. See how good she looks in there. Alright, we finally have the valve covers off. She looks really good. Very clean for crankcase oil and such. Alright, let's get these rockers off. Let's get these push rods out. This side looks a little darker than this side does. This side looks clean. We're gonna have to look into that. Y'all see the color difference in those? Alright, we have the rockers and the push rods out of both sides. We're ready to take the heads out. And here's how I'm keeping everything organized. Front to rear right, well, driver side, front, rear, passenger side. Everything's in order.
No comment on the Budweiser box. It's an old box.
It's an old box, she says. Alright, well, I've got my surfaces as clean as I can get them. They feel good. Cleaned them with acetone as well to get the oil residue off for when I put the gaskets on, put the heads on, so I can get a good nice torque when I get them in there. It just... Camera makes that look worse than it really might be. Alright, let's show you the gaskets. And you're gonna hear Buck for a little bit. Am I right, my love? Alright, we've got the heads off. I'm gonna put them in my crud cutter vat like I've already done the intake. Intake came out nice. As you saw a couple minutes ago, this thing was black as could be. Crud Cutter Pro, excuse me. It's the Crud Cutter Pro vat. That's what's in there. It's like a 80-20 mix of Crud Cutter Pro and water. I'm going to slap these in here, let them go overnight, and finish this head gasket job tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll have a ride to work Monday. So, you guys stay tuned. Part 3 tomorrow.